Welcome guys to channel Auto Surgery. Today we have 2011 Jeep Patriot. Yes, let me show you guys. Yes, that's the baby right here. Jeep Patriot. Yes, that's a limited one. So this customer is complaining every time that he try to start this vehicle, the vehicle doesn't want to start, or sometime when he's driving this vehicle and then the vehicle cut it off. And then when I try earlier, the check engine on, as you guys can see, and when I try this vehicle, what happened is, the problem when I try the vehicle while I'm driving this vehicle, so the vehicle turned off completely. Yes, it did turn it off while it's turning off, and when I stop the vehicle, I try to start it again, and then it doesn't want to start. And then for the customer, he thought about the starter. I see, like, the sounds, it seemed like it's not the starter to me. It sounded like that the crankshaft or camshaft sensor who could do that kind of stuff. Let's see what's on that vehicle here. Let's see what's happening. That's baby taking time. Yeah, so now since you tell me that, I say, like, it seemed like what you're thinking is not that. I said, like, okay, I will double check. Let's see, pending code. There we go. Okay, I see EVAP, camshaft. You see, camshaft position sensor and crankshaft position sensor. You see, P0369, P0335. That's the thing. So let's see. Let's see what's happening with that baby. I'm just gonna go straight to the sensor. Yes, if we have to be replaced, we're just gonna replace the sensor, because the way she told me, she tried to crank the vehicle so many times, the vehicle doesn't wanna crank. It keeps saying you wanna start, but you can't. But earlier I tried to open this one to go through it. This is where the sensor is. Give me 1 second. Yes guys, earlier, so I was checking out the crankshaft sensor. I was driving the vehicle was dying on me. It was stalled while I'm driving it. So now I don't need to wasting time with this one. This is the crankshaft position sensor right here. You see, it's full of oil. Look at it. It's full of oil. So I have another one. I'm just gonna replace it and put the new one on it. And here is the code. We will go and we will see. This is the new one right there. Yeah, that's the new one. I'm just gonna put it in. The new one, then here's the code, and see. This could be happening. To use my other hand to put everything in. Okay, I'm gonna show you where this sensor hiding? A sensor hiding right there. You see? Right behind here. This is the baby right there. Yes. It's full of oil on it. Now we have to put the new one now. Because this guy is way down on the back. Oof. This is the new one. Just gonna put it in. Because where that thing is hiding, oh my God. She's hiding way down on the back. Some crazy places down here. Cannot even reach. Right? Yeah, put it in. She's right there. You guys can see that. Yes. Now, just gonna plug it up. There you go. I can even see it, but I'm gonna put it in. Here she is. Right there. That's the guy. Oof. This is not easy to put in. Oh my God. Oh, let's finish to put the rest, and we're gonna use the code and we start it up. All right. Now we're gonna erase those codes right now, and this guy here. Then we're gonna start that baby, and I will do a little wood test on it to make sure what I had before is not gonna be happening again. Yes, everything's clear. Ready? So now it's time for the wood test, you know. Oil change. You request oil change now. Okay. It's time for a wood test. Yes. Hi dear, just to show you everything's looking good. Everything's looking good in one shot. The check engine is gone, but not all the check engine gone because you didn't finish to do everything. The camshaft wasn't changed, but we changed the crankshaft only. But so far, it's looking good. You just need to replace your gas cap, yes, for the evap. Then ready to go. You can fly. Alrighty, thank you. may come in to pick it up. Thank you guys for watching the video. Everything's looking good. Hopefully that video could help friends, family member. Please share that video if you like that video. Please share that video. Remember, Jesus is coming soon. Get ready. Thank you guys for watching Auto Surgery channel.